डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू डॉक्टर सोर्सेस क्लासेस। और आज हम लोग करने वाला है आरबीआई ग्रेड बी DSIM, दैट मीन्स डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ स्टैटिस्टिक्स एंड इंफॉर्मेशन मैनेजमेंट। उसी का एक पेपर है, डिस्क्रिप्टिव पेपर, स्टैटिस्टिक्स के ऊपर पेपर 2, उसी पेपर का प्रीवियस ईयर सॉल्यूशन। If you want to take classes from our side or want to take doubt clearing session, previous year question solution, mock test, study material, any of that, please don't hesitate. Please call or WhatsApp on this number. Dr. Sourav himself reply individually through WhatsApp. Already all you all know that Dr. Sourav's classes is the best coaching institution in India for any type of economic, static or statistics related examination. If you want to take classes from our side, so don't waste time. This is the best time. Why? Now we can provide the maximum discount for that course. This is the best time to take admission in Dr. Sourav's classes and boost up your preparation with Dr. Sourav sir. चलिए देखते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 में क्या बोला है. Let x1, x2 and xn are independent and identically distributed random variables, that means RVs, with u theta to u of 2 theta to 2 theta, where theta belongs to capital theta. So find the MLE of theta, that means maximum likelihood estimator of theta. So इस प्रॉब्लम को हम लोग कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? How to solve that type of problem? First of all, we will write the probability density functions. The probability density function for the uniform distribution, PDF of uniform distribution theta comma 2 theta is fx such that theta equals to 1 by theta, comma if theta less than x, theta less than equals to x, less than equals to 2 theta, and 0 otherwise. Okay, and in step 2, given the sample, writing the likelihood function. So given the samples are x1, x2 up to xn is the likelihood function. So here L theta equals to pi of I equals to 1 to n if of xi such that theta equals to 1 by theta whole to the power n. Okay, that is equals to into I of theta less than equals to x1 less than equals to xn less than equals to 2 theta. Okay, so here where x1 is the minimum of x1, x2 up to xn, and xn equals to maximum max of x1, x2 up to xn. Okay, so now we can find the MLE, means maximum likelihood estimator. So to maximize the likelihood function, हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? We need to maximize L theta with respect to theta. Since the indication function I equals I of theta less than equals to x1 less than equals to xn less than equals to 2 theta is 1 when theta less than equals to x1 and 2 theta greater than equals to xn. The MLE maximum likelihood estimator MLE of theta cap must satisfy. Okay, so where theta cap equals to max of xn by 2 comma x1. So the MLE for theta is maximum likelihood estimator for the MLE for theta is theta cap equals to xn by 2. Okay, so that's all. चलिए अब हम लोग करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 पार्ट 2. क्वेश्चन में क्या बोला है? क्वेश्चन में बोला है लेट P of probability of x equals to -2 equals to theta by 3 and probability of x of -1 that is theta by 3 also theta by 3 and probability of x equals to 0 equals to 1 minus theta and probability of x equals to 1 equals to theta by 3. So find the MLE, that means maximum likelihood estimator of theta from the following data set. So how can I find? So first we need to write the likelihood functions for that. Okay, चलिए कैसे लिखेंगे? For the joint probability of observing given data, their occurrence that are n minus 2, occurrence of x equals to -2, and there is the occurrence of n minus 2 और n minus 1 के लिए क्या है? x equals to -1, x equals to -1, and sorry, n of -2 and n of -1, that means that can be n of -2, n of -1, and the occurrence of n0 or n0, that is x equals to 0, and at n1 x equals to 1. So यहाँ पर likelihood functions क्या होगा? That is L theta, that is theta by 3 n minus 2, sorry, n minus 2 and into theta by 3 that is n minus 1 theta of init 0 and theta by 3 equals to n1. Okay, so now is simplifying that. So L theta equals to theta by 3, that is n of minus 2 plus n of minus 1 plus n1 into 1 minus theta n naught. Okay, so now we perform the log likelihood function, so taking the logarithm on both sides, that is log L theta is equals to nf minus 2 plus n of minus 1 plus n of 1 into log theta by 3 plus n naught log 1 minus theta. Okay, so here n of minus 2 plus n of minus 1 plus n of 1, that is equals to log theta minus log 3 plus n naught log 1 minus theta. Okay, so now we can differentiate on with respect to theta and set to 0. So d by d theta equals to log of L theta, that is equals to n of minus 2 plus n of minus 1 plus n of 1 by what? By theta, that is equals to minus n naught by 1 minus theta, that is equals to 0. Right, so that means n naught n of minus 2 plus n of minus 1 plus n of 1 by theta equals to n naught by 1 minus theta. So here theta cap of n of minus 2 plus n of minus 1 plus n of 1 equals to n naught 1 minus theta cap, 1 minus theta cap, and here theta cap, that is n of minus 2, n of minus 1, n of 1 plus n of 0, that is equals to n naught. Okay, so that means theta cap equals to n naught by n minus 2 plus n of minus 1 plus n of 1 plus n naught. So now we can calculate the theta cap for given data here. So n minus 2 equals to 2, n of minus 1 equals to 4, n naught equals to 2, n1 also what 2. So therefore theta cap equals to n naught by n minus 2 plus n minus 1 plus n1 plus n naught. Okay, so that means 2 by 2 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Okay, so that means 2 by 4 10, that means 0.2. so option A का आंसर MLE of theta cap is ऑप्शन 1 की आंसर कितना हुआ xn by 2 और ऑप्शन 2 का आंसर हुआ 0.2. सो दैट्स ऑल अबाउट दैट. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगा तो इस वीडियो को आप फ्रेंड्स से और दोस्तों से फैमिली से शेयर कर लीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए. फॉर लेटेस्ट वीडियो अपडेट प्लीज़ क्लिक ऑन द बेल आइकॉन. आज के लिए इतना ही, फिर मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.